Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to build a complete e-commerce website using Shopify. Whether you're starting a new business or moving your store online, Shopify makes it easy to create a professional website. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and head to shopify.com. Click on Start Free Trial and fill in your email, surname, and password. Follow the prompts to create your Shopify account just like any other account. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your Shopify admin dashboard where you can manage everything for your store. Next, you'll need to select a theme for your website. In your Shopify dashboard, click on Online Store on the left-hand sidebar, then click on Themes. Scroll down and click Visit Theme Store. You can use one of these themes, these free themes. Choose a theme that fits your brand. For example, you can pick a clean minimalist theme for a modern store or something bold, more bold if you want a vibrant, eye-catching design. Once you've chosen your theme, click on Add to Theme Library and then click Publish to apply the theme to your store. After you publish the theme, it's time to customize it to fit your brand. Go back to Themes and go back to Themes and click on Customize next to your active theme. This will open the theme editor where you can customize different sections of your websites like the home page, products pages, and more. Use the left-hand sidebar to make changes to text, images, and layouts. You can add sections like product selection, image sliders, and customers testimonials just by clicking on Add Section. Now, be sure to click Save after making changes to ensure everything is updated. After that, it's time to add products to your e-commerce website. In the Shopify dashboard, you can go back to the Shopify dashboard. In the Shopify dashboard now, click Products from the left-hand sidebar, and then click Add Products. Let's go into Products here, and click Add Products. Enter your product details including title, description, pricing, and upload a high-quality product image. Just make sure it's in the limit of 20,000 megapixels. If you have variants like different sizes or colors, you can add them here. The fourth thing is to fill in the inventory and shipping details, and then click Save and repeat this process for each product you want to add to your store. To make your store ready to receive payments and ship products, go into your Shopify dashboard and click on Settings. I'm having some technical difficulties, glitch. Yeah, I'm gonna click on Settings here. And I'm gonna select Payments. Now choose your payments method, whether it's Shopify Payments, PayPal, or a third-party gateway. Follow the steps to connect your account. Just click on Add Payments Method. You can choose also your payments provider. Next, click Shipping and Delivery in the settings. Here you can configure your shipping options, set up shipping rates, and offer free shipping or use real-time carrier rates. You can do this all by adding delivery customization, adding package, add fulfillment service, and etc. And that's it. You've successfully built an e-commerce website using Shopify. You're now ready to customize your design, add products, and start selling. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up, and thanks for watching, and see you again in the next video.